Since the dawn of time, humans have struggled against the dust of the world. From rough cobblestones under the moonlight to simple straw brooms leaning against ancient brick walls, the ritual of cleaning was a manual burden. In the dim light of history, we wrung out coarse cloths and carried heavy copper buckets to keep our sanctuaries clean. Renaissance sketches once dreamed of mechanical sweepers, while the palaces of old fought to keep their marble floors dry. From primitive coconut fiber brushes to the early steam-powered vacuums of the 20th century, our tools slowly evolved. Each brass gear turning in those early machines was a step toward a future of automated ease. The roar of vintage electric motors gave way to a new kind of silence. In the modern world, dust is no longer swept, but vanished into thin air through precision engineering. On digital screens, the first CAD blueprints of a robotic cleaner began to take shape, mapping out a world where technology finally replaces the heavy wooden mop of the past. Algorithms now dance across blue screens, calculating the perfect path through our homes. Microchips stand in contrast to ancient bamboo brooms, marking a total shift in human labor. As the morning sun hits our smart factory, the automated doors swing open, signaling the start of a production cycle that will redefine the meaning of a clean home. High-grade engineering resins flow into massive injection molders, forming the rigid chassis of the robot. Robotic arms pluck the warm frames from their birthplace, using thermal knives to trim every edge with surgical precision. We install high-grip rubber tires, designed to navigate the modern floor with absolute stability and silent grace. Suspension systems are tested for their resilience, while 360-degree navigation wheels are fitted for fluid motion. Transparent water tanks are laser welded and checked for an airtight seal, ensuring no leaks will ever touch your floors. Finally, ultra-fine HEPA filters are seated into the frame, creating a fortress against the smallest particles. Top covers are fitted with precise spring-loaded latches as a protective nano coating is applied to defy scratches and wear. Every icon is etched by laser, guiding the user with silent symbols. After a high-pressure force test and an ionic air bath to remove every speck of dust, a long line of finished frames glides along the conveyor. The glowing LED trim signals the completion of the mechanical body, ready to receive its digital soul. Robots place microcomponents onto sleek black circuit boards with unwavering accuracy. After a dip in the soldering bath, the central CPU, the brain of the machine, is secured to the board. At the very top, the LiDAR navigation tower is installed, where infrared lasers begin to map out the darkness, seeing the world in a way humans never could. Cliff sensors are fitted to the base to prevent the robot from falling, while collision bumpers are tested for their sensitivity. Colorful wiring harnesses are linked to the control board, powered by lithium-ion cells protected in flame-retardant shells. Every cell is measured for its voltage, ensuring a steady and reliable pulse of energy for the task ahead. Wi-Fi modules and hidden antennas are linked before the latest firmware is flashed into the memory. Binary code races across the test screens as the robot learns to communicate with its smart charging station. Every nickel-plated contact point is checked for a perfect connection. From detecting a thin wire to sensing the soft pile of a rug, These sensors are the eyes and ears of a machine that truly understands its environment. With a final flash of green, the digital identity of every component is logged and verified. Brushless motors spin at tens of thousands of RPM, driving fiberglass-reinforced impellers with incredible force. The main roller brush is fitted with soft bristles and rubber fins to sweep up every hair and speck. Behind the scenes, tiny peristaltic pumps begin to move, preparing to deliver a precise mist of water to the microfiber mopping pads. Microfiber textures are inspected under magnification to ensure maximum absorption. High-frequency vibration plates are heat-pressed into position, designed to scrub away the toughest stains with thousands of strokes per minute. Clean water travels through clear silicone tubes as the smart lift system is tested for carpets. Every air pressure reading is verified by digital gauges, ensuring that dust and water are perfectly separated in the centrifugal chamber. This is the heart of the cleaning mission. The robots navigate a zigzag test track across various floor types, while mechanical fingers press the buttons thousands of times for durability. In high heat chambers, we push the batteries to their limit, ensuring they remain safe and strong. In the silent room, sensitive microphones verify that the machine's voice is nothing more than a gentle whisper against the quiet of your home. Climbing tests prove the machine can conquer every threshold, while the auto-docking sequence is verified for total accuracy. Under UV lights, we search for the smallest scratch on the mirrored surface before the final data is confirmed by the system. Every unit is then nestled into recycled protective trays, sealed with a thin film, and moved toward its journey to a new home. Artificial intelligence now allows the robot to learn the map of your life, adapting to every change. In the clean light of the factory, dust has become a memory of the past. Future designs will be even slimmer, sliding beneath the lowest furniture, built from sustainable biomaterials that respect the earth as much as they respect your home. A single drop of water falls onto a floor as bright as a mirror. As machines take over the labor, humans find the freedom of time. Clean energy pulses through the factory's blue-lit lines, where fully automated systems work in total harmony. Even the family pet remains at peace as the silent cleaner glides past, a ghost of total convenience. A network of smart devices now communicates through the air, creating a home that cares for itself. At the end of its life, every part is designed to be easily recycled, returning to the cycle of production. The precision of the assembly line is an art form in itself, where tiny components come together to create a world of difference for your healthy lifestyle. From 3D blueprints to a living reality, the robot stands in its station like a piece of modern sculpture. The laser eye flashes one last time before resting, its mission complete. We are building more than a cleaner. We are building a quiet future. Technology for a peaceful life, where every surface is a reflection of our pursuit of perfection.